Okay, you load in your footage into Blender. You can see that your video is looks somehow and it looks very flat. So to fix this, go to render property, then come down to color management. Now you can see that the view transform is in filmic. Now you have to change it to standard, and you can see that everything looks back like normal. And for this, you have to change it to standard every time you load in new project or you open Blender. You have to change it to standard whenever you are doing this. So I got the way you can fix this, and you have to do it permanently. You don't have to just come back and do it again every time you are in Blender. Okay, now you can see that this is a new project, and in the color management we still have this set to filmic, and this is the default that Blender has for us, and every time you load in Blender you have to change it back to the standard. So for this time I will show you guys how to do it permanently. Now go to the top corner and then click on the files, come down to the default, then select save startup file. So click on it. Now what you do now is to save the startup file as the default. So this standard will be at the default, and you don't have to change it every time you open a new Blender project. Okay guys, so for clarification, I'm going to open a new Blender project so you can see what I did. So you can see that is a new project, and this view transform is set to standard already. So you don't have to do it every time, just have to do it like I showed you, and everything will be done.